You will see all these crazy recipes online where they tell you just to throw out the shells, or maybe you've done that before. You know, you're looking for prawns at the store. I want the ones with no shells because it's easier. You don't have to peel them. What a pain in the rear end, Des. Well, I get it. I get it. But I'm never going to tell you to do something unless I think it's really worth it. And this is really worth it for you to have those shells. And we're going to extract a ton of flavor from those shells to get into our soup. So I want you to grab like a small pot. It doesn't need to be very big at all. Take your reserved shells from your prawns, okay, and put them in there. We're going to extract a ton of flavor from these shells. And a lot of people just throw them out. To your prawn shells in that small pot, add 1/3 cup of white wine. Whatever white wine you have is totally fine. And then we're going to turn that burner on high and bring that to a boil. We want that shrimp flavor in the soup, and you'll be shocked at how many recipes that you're pulling off the web or Pinterest, and they tell you to add water. Oh my goodness. One recipe says add 4 cups of water. You know how bland that's going to be? And none of them, none, zero, tell you to add the shells. This makes me angry because people go online because it's a free recipe somewhere and they make it. It's not that great or whatever because you're cooking with water, guys. And there's no shrimp flavor. You're throwing the shells in the garbage. So what I want you to do is just trust me, folks. This is what I do, and buy the books and celebrate food with me because it's really fun. And I don't want to lead you down that path. I want to lead you down a better path, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So my wine is just coming to a boil, okay, and you'll see it bubbling there. It doesn't take very long because there's not much wine in there. Okay, so I'm going to put a lid on, turn it to medium, set a timer for 2 minutes. And that's going to extract some amazing prawn flavor that we're going to be able to get into the soup. Now is the time to add that lovely liquid from our prawn shells. So you're just taking like a wire mesh strainer like this and taking that pot and watch this. I'm going to dump that and all that beautiful liquid and put your nose over that right now. Smell that. Wow, it just smells so good. And all that beautiful flavor now is going to go into our soup. So all I do is I take it and I move the shells around in that strainer, press on it, just trying to extract as much of that nice prawn flavor as I can into the soup. And this is going to make this have so much character in this soup. It's going to knock your socks off. It really will. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that moisture coming out of there. Oh, that beautiful flavor. And then when you're done, you can just set it aside. We don't need that anymore. And let's stir that all together now.